All right, friends, we are ready for sound deck. For sound deck, we want to make sure that we have our bodies ready for learning. So you're sitting up straight and tall, your eyes are watching me, your ears are listening, your bodies are still, your hands are free, and your mouth is ready to speak and follow along with me. Ready to learn? Here we go. Remember, with sound deck, there's two things you're going to do. I'll flash up the card, we'll say the name of the letter or letters, and then we'll say the sound that it makes. I've added in our sound for this week that we are working on, the owl sound. Let's get ready to go. Now, our first one is one of our vowel teams for this week, and that is that vowel team OW. We have learned so far two different ways, or two different sounds OW makes when they team up together. So we're going to start with both of those sounds. Here we go. O-W-O, O-W, owl. O-U, owl. L-U, Q-U, qu. W, w. F, R, S, S. N, N. V, V. M, M. J, J. Z, Z. Y, Y. C, K. H, H. B, B. D, D. T, T. K, K. X, X. G, G. O, A, O. T, H, T. C, K, K. S, H, sh. A, I, A. E, consonant E, E. Y, I. W, H, I, G, H, I. D, G, E, J. G, E, J. C, H, ch. A, N, K, ank. U, N, G, ung. I, N, G, ing. A, N, G, ang. O, N, K, onk. O, N, G, ong. I, N, K, ink. F, F, U, N, K, unk. L, L, ul. S, S, s. E, A, E. E, E, E. A, Y, A. T, C, H, ch. O, consonant E, O. I, consonant E, I. U, consonant E, U. A, consonant E, A. U, A. A, O, ah. E, I, C, E, s. And that brings us back to the beginning. Great job on sound deck, guys.